So it tells us that within a black hole, a whole new space-time can open up in the future history of this universe.
What if we are living inside a black hole? This is the theory that some physicists propose, and in this video, we will explore the possibility of the universe being inside a black hole. The concept of black holes is not only fascinating but also highly intriguing. The idea of a singularity where the laws of physics break down, an event horizon beyond which nothing can escape, and infinite densities. All of these are mind-boggling. Welcome back to Study Room 26, where we delve into the mysteries of the universe. I am your host, Kushal. Today, we're venturing into the enigmatic realm of black holes and contemplating the mind-bending possibility that we might just be residing inside one, right now. Before we begin, enhance your understanding of black holes with an informative video. Click the I button or check the description below for a captivating visual experience. Now, the idea that our universe is inside a black hole is based on the fact that the universe has a singularity and an event horizon, just like black holes. The singularity of the universe is the Big Bang, which is thought to be a point in time when all matter was compressed to infinite density and all points in space overlapped. From the Big Bang, space expanded, and it's still expanding, which gives us our event horizon. If space is expanding evenly everywhere, then there are distant regions of the universe that are being propelled away from us faster than the speed of light. That means there's a surface at a particular distance that represents the limit of our observations, in that we can never know about any event that happens beyond that surface. This is the cosmological event horizon. The black hole singularity, on the other hand, seems to us to be a point of infinite density in space, while the Big Bang singularity is a time of infinite density that included all of space. Both the Big Bang and black hole singularities occupy all of space. The difference is that the Big Bang singularity exists in the past for all of space, while the black hole singularity exists in the future for all of the black hole space. But what does it mean for us if we are living inside a black hole? First, let's understand how black holes work. If we collapse any chunk of matter far enough, it gets stuck in its gravity. In general relativity, that looks like a point of infinite density surrounded by an event horizon. The event horizon is the surface where the flow of space itself is like a river moving at the speed of light. Nothing can swim against that flow. From the outside, the black hole looks like an orb of blackness at a particular location in space, due to the fact that nothing, not even light, can travel back out from below the event horizon. The same applies to us if we are inside a black hole. We would not know that we are inside a black hole because we are trapped inside the event horizon. It's possible that the black hole we are inside is much larger than what we think it is, and our entire universe is just a small part of it. However, this idea is just a theory, and there is no concrete evidence to support it. In conclusion, the idea that we are living inside a black hole is fascinating, but it remains just a theory. While there are some similarities between the universe and black holes, we need more evidence to support this idea. Nevertheless, it's intriguing to think about what it would mean for us if we were indeed living inside a black hole. This concludes our exploration of the question, what is inside a black hole? Join us next time as we embark on another fascinating journey through our channel Study Room 26, where we continue to unravel the secrets of the cosmos. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel Study Room 26. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure, and until next time, keep seeking knowledge and embracing the wonders of the universe.